In a significant ruling, a judge has decided to allow a transgender player from San Jose State University's women's volleyball team to compete in the upcoming Mountain West Conference Championship, despite opposition from some current players. This decision is making headlines as it touches on the broader debate about transgender athletes in women's sports. The lawsuit was filed by 9 current players from various teams in the Mountain West Conference, challenging the league's policy allowing transgender women to compete. They argued that allowing this player to participate could pose safety risks and was unfair to cisgender women athletes. However, U.S. Magistrate Judge S. Kato Crews rejected their request to block the player from competing, allowing the athlete, who has played throughout the season, to participate in the tournament. The ruling came just days before the start of the Mountain West Conference Women's Volleyball Championship in Las Vegas. Although the player's identity has not been publicly disclosed and San Jose State has not confirmed the athlete's gender, the university has reaffirmed its commitment to supporting its student athletes. In a statement they said, "We are gratified that the court rejected an 11th-hour attempt to change those rules. Our team looks forward to competing in the Mountain West Volleyball Tournament this week." The Mountain West Conference Tournament kicks off this week, with San Jose State as the 2nd seed. The winner of the tournament earns an automatic bid to the NCAA tournament, and San Jose State is hoping to make it back to nationals for the first time since 2001. Judge Crews stated that the plaintiffs could have raised their concerns earlier, as the player had been part of the San Jose State team since 2022. Crews also noted that the conference policy regarding transgender participation has been in effect since that time, making this issue part of the status quo. The plaintiffs in the case, including San Jose State senior setter Brooke Slusser, argue that the transgender player's physical strength presents a safety concern during practices. Other teams like Boise State and Wyoming even forfeited matches against San Jose State this season, citing these concerns. This case has sparked a wider conversation. Some Republican governors have voiced support for the team cancellations, emphasizing fairness in women's sports, while others, like President-elect Donald Trump, have spoken against allowing transgender women to compete in women's sports. This ruling comes amid a growing debate about the inclusion of transgender women in women's sports. The NCAA has set guidelines that require transgender women to suppress testosterone for at least 12 months before competing, and this San Jose State player has met those criteria. But as the conversation continues, the issue is likely to remain in the spotlight as legal and public discussions unfold. The decision to allow the transgender volleyball player to compete is one of many battles in the ongoing discussion about inclusion, fairness, and safety in sports. What do you think about the ruling? Should transgender women be allowed to compete in women's sports? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this evolving story. See you in the next video.